Hey, it's Boudin Eunice on call. How y'all are today? We're over here working on this 12 series. It's a 6 3/4 horse, or 6 3/4 foot-pounds gross torque to be exact. Probably just a 5-horse engine. So, but anyway, we're on this one doing a video about repairing the governor. Not repairing the governor, replacing the governor. Alright, when the engine's off of the lawnmower frame, which is only 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. Alright, and there's 7 sump bolts right here, crank cover bolts. They actually call it sump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, that was number 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, now recommend that you sand this before you attempt to take it off, unless it's a newer engine, which I doubt it. You'll have to change the governor for that on a new one. Sand it down with some emery cloth like you're shining shoes. Then spray some oil on this, WD-40, PB blaster, and then you tap up on the ears on this thing very lightly with a rubber hammer or a steel hammer. Be very careful you don't break it. All it is cast aluminum, pot aluminum. Right. When the sump comes off, oh, you see everything in the engine. You put this away right here. See everything in the engine. And here's that bad boy right here. There's that governor. And there's the weights right here. There's the weights. When this camshaft is spinning right here, it's turning this gear right there. And this thing's spinning real fast, and it's opening up these weights. And as you can see, whoa, I dropped it. Move away from that, Ted, dude. Yeah, I'm in my house. Temporary work area because it's been nasty weather. Raining and cold. And I'm not going to be in that uninsulated shop doing this. Doggone, I did it again. Okay. Better hold on to the gear this time. Okay, when the flywheel weights come out while it's spinning, that comes up right there. And in turn, you can see that governor lever right there. It's a mechanical governor, so it's going to move the arm on the outside, and that hooks up directly to the carburetor, to the throttle linkage, then the carburetor. And the spring is working against this. Keep everything in order. Well, Mr. Dan, that's your problem with those weights right there on your governor. Alright, do this, put this back on. Almost dropped it again. That hole back on the camshaft. Let's see if I can look at it good right here without looking through the lens. Press in on that. Right there. Make sure that's lined up with that paddle, that wide part. And just throw the sump cover back on. And this is going to line up with that hole right there. Clean all this out. See that old black oil right there? Clean all that stuff out good. Mop up the inside of that. Take all the trash out. And you're going to have, whoever has this problem, you're going to have to look for pieces in the bottom of that engine. There's going to be them weights in there somewhere. Get you a little magnet. The magnet on a stick from AutoZone. Couple bucks. Get them magnets out, them weights out of there. And inspect your cam gear right here. All the way around. Inspect it. Make sure you ain't got no broken teeth. Because when those weights come loose, they might have affected that. But if your engine's running good, like wide open, well, then you more likely don't have any broken teeth. But you never know. It's good to inspect it anyway. You don't have to take the cam out. So don't worry about that. If you do take the cam out, just line up your timing marks right here. And I can't turn this. Yeah, I can. Let me take this governor out. do that. Line up the timing marks. Let me see. Okay, here we go. Boom. Boom. Okay, and there's a washer right here covering this mark. But here's a timing mark on the cam. That slot right there. And there's a dimple in this gear. And this is a metal gear on this cam. I can't get the washer off. There's oil on there. But anyway, you line up them two timing marks and you can slide the cam out. And the valves won't have no pressure on it like that. So anyhow, hope this little trick helps, because this is, so far, this is going to be the only video on YouTube about a governor replace on the 12 series engines. They got them for the big ones, big 8, 10 horses, but nobody's got one on these small engines. So alright, we'll catch y'all. Plutot.